because Spray-Lock Concrete Protection's products react inside the capillary void space to close those voids, it can shut down water vapor transmission to a great degree as well, which means that flooring or any other types of coating can be placed on concrete that has been treated with Spray-Lock Concrete Protection products as early as 14 days after the concrete's been placed. That's something that's unheard of in most concrete construction realms. So most concrete construction projects are not going to have a flooring product or other coating put on the concrete as early as 14 days. But what the product allows you to do is it allows you to hard schedule those flooring installs without having to worry about moisture testing or RH testing. SCP products do wonderful things for concrete, but they only do one thing. They close the void space that is left there naturally by water exiting the system. By closing that void space, a lot of really great things happen for concrete. Contact us today and let us know how we can help you on your next concrete construction project.
Save time and money while consistently delivering superior performance. Spray-Lock Concrete Protection. Superior concrete.